Hi everybody, my name is Elaine Duff and I am here in Miami. I am at the bar at the Barbecue and Craft Company, and I'm really excited because Kelly has been making me some delicious cocktails with bird dogs. All right, so Kelly, what are you making me now?
So I'm going to be making you a cocktail that I like to call the Miami Beach Peach, and it has the peach flavored bird dog whiskey along with lemonade and a dark rum floater.
That sounds delicious and sounds perfect for Miami, obviously.
It's a nice and refreshing drink.
Fantastic. So the one thing I'm loving about the drinks you're making me is they seem to be really simple, so you don't even have to shake them.
Yeah, you can just build it in the glass, and then each sip that you get as you go down, you get a different flavor profile.
Love that. So it has a little bit of complexity, a little bit, but it's so simple. It's only 3 ingredients. Yeah. And you're gonna get the peach probably if you have a straw in there, a little bit of lemonade, and then like the rum on top. And rum, Miami, sounds like a perfect thing. Obviously lemonade because it's refreshing, and then the peach whiskey kind of pushing it all forward.
Yeah, for sure. So I just added the lemonade, and then we're gonna top it off with 1 ounce of dark rum.
Delicious.
And I'm gonna garnish it with a lemon wedge, and then we're good to go.
So I'm about to enjoy the Miami Beach Peach, which is bird dog peach whiskey, lemonade, and a little dark rum floater on the top. And that is delicious.